Hi, and welcome back to Module 9, people. So we're going to look at Copilot for project management in this lesson. Let's learn how to harness AI to manage projects smarter, faster, and more effectively across the entire project cycle. Now, creating project charters in minutes, imagine that with AI, right? Hardly gonna take a few seconds. Building project plans instantly, identifying risk before they became problems, writing stakeholders' communication effortlessly, creating status reports in seconds. That's exactly what Microsoft Copilot can do for project managers. Now, whether you are a project manager, program manager, Scrum Master, team lead, business analyst, or aspiring PMP professional, Copilot can dramatically improve your productivity and project success. So in this module, you learn how to use Microsoft Copilot through the entire project lifecycle. The objectives of this lesson is to create project charters, build WS, stakeholder communication, facilitate meetings, create documentation, develop project plans, manage risks, generate reports, track progress, and improve productivity. So where does most project managers spend their time? They spend their time in planning, documentation, meeting, reporting, communication, risk management, and stakeholder management. How Copilot can help you? Project managers spend a significant amount of time on planning, documentation, meetings, reporting, communication, risk management, and stakeholder management. Copilot can help you automate repetitive work so you can focus on leadership and decision making. So think of Copilot as your AI project coordinator. Project initiation sets the direction and scope for everything that follows. Copilot can here help you create a comprehensive project charter in minutes rather than hours. Example prompt: act as a senior project manager, create a project charter for implementing a new customer relationship management system, and then you type include business case, project objectives, scope, deliverables, assumptions, constraints, and success criteria. Now, follow-up prompts could be create a one-page executive summary if you need that, and identify project stakeholders. Prompts are, again, the most important thing when it comes to AI. If you haven't gone through the prompts video, please go ahead and watch that video, then you can always come back to this later. Now, planning is one of the most important phases for PMs. Copilot can dramatically accelerate planning activities. Use structured prompts to generate project plans, work breakdown structures, and schedules with milestones, dependencies, and resources or resource requirements. Here is an example of prompt. Create a project plan for implementing a CRM system over 6 months. Include major milestones, deliverables, dependencies, risks, and resource requirements. WBS prompt: work breakdown structures. Create a work breakdown structure for CRM implementation project. Break down the work into phases, deliverables, and work packages. Schedule prompt: create a project schedule with milestone, dependencies, and critical path for the CRM implementation. Remember this, the more information you give to Copilot while you're writing a prompt, the better the results would be. Identifying risk before they become problems. Effective risk management helps you anticipate and mitigate issues before they impact your project. So Copilot can help identify risks, assess their impact, and develop response strategies. Example of a prompt here is act as a risk management specialist. Identify potential risks for a CRM implementation project. For each risk, provide risk description, probability, impact, risk score, and mitigation strategy. Now, follow-up prompts can be create a risk register in table format. For response planning, create risk response plans for high priority risks. Managing stakeholder expectations and maintaining clear communication is critical to project success. Copilot can help you create stakeholder analysis, communication plans, and professional project communication. Identify all stakeholders for a CRM implementation project. Create a stakeholder analysis matrix including name, role, interest level, influence level, expectations, and engagement strategy. That's an example of a prompt for stakeholder analysis. Let's look at example prompt for communication plan and project communications. For communication plan, you could write, create a stakeholder communication plan for the CRM implementation project. Include stakeholder group, communication type, frequency, channel, and responsible person. For project communications, you could write a project kickoff email to all stakeholders, write a project delay notification to the sponsor, and create a project update for the steering committee. Facilitating meetings and tracking progress. Now, during project execution, Copilots help you run effective meetings, generate status reports, track progress, and create dashboards, keeping everyone aligned and informed. Now, let's look at prompts here. For meeting facilitation, you could write, create an agenda for a project kickoff meeting, generate meeting minutes, create action items tracker for meeting notes, draft a follow-up email after a project meeting. For status reports, you could write a weekly project status report, create a monthly executive summary, draft the RAG status report, write a project health update. For progress tracking, the prompt can be, help me track project progress against the plan, identify tasks that are behind schedule, suggest corrective actions for delayed tasks, and create a project performance report. For dashboard, you could use a prompt that would say, create a project dashboard template, design a KPI tracking dashboard, create a milestone tracking report, build a resource utilization dashboard. Now, Copilot can also help you create comprehensive project documentation quickly and accurately, while boosting your overall productivity through summarization, task management, and decision supports. Let's look at documentation prompts. For project documentation, you could use write a project scope statement, write a requirements document, create a change management plan, draft a project closure report. For process documentation, the prompt could be, document a project process, create a lessons learned report, write a standard operating procedure, SOP, create a project handbook. The productivity prompts can be, for summarization, you could write, summarize this project document, extract key action items from this meeting transcript. For task management, prioritize my project tasks, create a task breakdown for this deliverable. Decision support, right, help me evaluate these project options. What are the pros and cons of this approach? For time management, you could use a prompt that says, help me plan my week as a project manager, suggest how to allocate time across projects. Now, best practices and key takeaways. Follow these best practices to get the most of Copilot as a project management. Be specific, always specify project context, industry, and constraints. Iterate and refine, use follow-up prompts to improve outputs. Then you verify outputs. AI can be wrong, so verify all the results that you get. Always review and validate AI-generated content. Maintain confidentiality. Don't share sensitive project information on AI. Combine with expertise. Use Copilot to enhance, not replace, your judgment. And document your prompts. Keep a library of effective prompts. So what we have learned, charter, stakeholders, reports, generate quickly, planning, accelerate activities, meeting to run efficiently, documentation can be created easily, risk identified clearly and early, progress track continuously, and productivity improves significantly. Microsoft Copilot is your AI project coordinator, helps you plan better, communicate clearly, manage risk proactively, and lead with confidence. If the video was helpful, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends and family. You're watching Language Nerds. I'm Raj, and I will see you in the next module.
Welcome to Language Nerds India, where English meets AI.
Stories, speaking, grammar, and smart learning tools all in one place.
Subscribe and let's learn together.